I asked Copilot, what are the top 5 questions that people ask about Copilot? Well, you'll be surprised at what Copilot answered. Hi everyone, welcome to Care and Low Code. And today we are going beyond the hype around Microsoft Copilot and answering the real questions businesses are asking before rollout. Not is it cool, but is it secure? Is it worth the investment? Can we govern it? Will it actually create value? Let's break it down. The first question people ask is Microsoft Copilot secure and can it access or leak our data? This is the number one concern. And can Copilot see all our company data? Are prompts used to train Microsoft models? And can it leak information across teams? Here's the reality Copilot respects Microsoft 365 permissions. That means if a user doesn't have access to a file, well, Copilot doesn't either. It operates inside your tenant boundaries, meaning business data is not used to train foundation models. It follows the same compliance, identity, and governance controls already in place, including purview, logging, and Entra ID. This isn't AI magic, it's AI working inside enterprise guardrails. The second question is what is the difference between free Copilot and Copilot from M365? This causes a lot of confusion. To be clear, free Copilot is web grounded, it works with public internet data, and Copilot for M365 is work grounded. That means it securely connects to Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It understands your meetings, your emails, your documents. That context shift is the real difference, not just feature lists. The third question is what licenses and technical setup are required? Good news. This is about readiness, not complexity. Copilot for M365 is an add-on license, but it works best when permissions are structured properly. SharePoint and OneDrive aren't chaotic. Identity is managed through Entra ID. You don't need perfection, but governance maturity is absolutely key. Number 4, how do we ensure adoption and real business value? This is where most organizations struggle. Copilot is not plug and play value. Value comes from real behavior change. That means successful planned rollout that includes role-based training, clear use cases, prompt guidance, internal champions, and governance alignment. If you don't teach people how to work with AI, it becomes a novelty tool. And if you do, it becomes a productivity multiplier. The last question that people ask about Copilot is can we control, govern, and extend Copilot? Well, you guessed it. Most advanced organizations always ask this. Can we guide how it's used? Can we build custom Copilots? Can we connect it to business systems? The answer is yes. You can govern and audit using Microsoft Purview. You can also build custom agents using Microsoft Copilot Studio. You can also extend capabilities with Power Platform and connectors. This is where low-code becomes powerful. You can build copilots tailored for example, HR workflows, service desks, internal knowledge bases. That's where enterprise maturity shows. Now, Copilot is not just another chatbot. It is secure, governed, work-grounded, and extendable through low-code. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the Care and Low Code channel, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss on upcoming AI and low code insights. Now, leave a comment on what's your biggest Copilot question right now, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!